guys, today we're going to use popsicles to make cool crafting things. First, we need popsicle sticks and make a foam and a black marker and some glue and some scissors to open. We're going to make a chicken, and you have to get 3 yellow popsicles and then a pencil and foam. If you don't, you can get yellow paper. If you don't, you just have to color a white paper. Okay, we have to draw a circle with a pencil. Very slowly. Okay, this is how my circle comes. Now we have to cut it out. I mostly have scissors. Almost done. Now we have to use black marker, and we're going to make a circle. And just do a triangle. This is what we need. It's the face. Do the body. We need glue for this part. Yeah. Okay. Some glue here. And then stick this. And 2. One here. And then another here. There. Now we can put the popsicle stick. There. Now we're going to glue the head. Let's do the feathers. Done. Now I'm going to cut them. Almost done cutting. Let's keep on cutting. Cute. Let's stick these 2. Put some glue in here. There. Now let's do this one. And the same thing for this side. So cute. Popsicle stick to make the orange legs. It has to be orange. So now the leg. And then there's another one. Done! I'm done with the chicken. Let's do the rainbow next, and you stop following. Now cut it. Do the rainbow order here. It's first red. Red, and then maybe I just should do it on the popsicle stick. Okay, yellow. Now comes yellow. Green. Oh, blue. Now comes purple. Now the rainbow is ready. To make the turkey, let's first make the head and the body. The circle out. Now we have cutted these 2 circles out. I'm going to draw the face on the smaller circle. Let's start. Eye. Mm-hmm. Okay. Now orange, and we need red. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's stick it. There. Now let's put the popsicle sticks for the wings. I just have orange. Now I'm gonna glue it. Okay. Okay, now the red one. Another red one. Okay, now the orange one. Now another one. Now the yellow one. Done. I'm gonna leave it like this to dry, and then I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna flip it to the front and show you guys, okay? We're gonna do one last thing, and it's the pumpkin. And okay, now let's stick it. Oh. Then there comes this one. Comes this one, and then this one. Now we have a black color nose. Now I'm gonna stick the black eye. Do the mouth. Okay, so the pumpkin looks. I want to color on top. These are the projects we have done. This is a rainbow, a turkey, a chicken, and a pumpkin. A Halloween pumpkin. Thanks for watching. If you like more videos, subscribe to my channel. Bye!